Today, I'll show you how to fix Google Ads disapproved due to unsupported language. This error means Google detected language in your ad or landing page that is not supported for that ad format, or language targeting. Google says ads and destinations using unsupported targeting languages are not allowed, and ads created in unsupported languages can be disapproved. First, open Google Ads and log into your account. Go to Campaigns, then Open Ads. Find the ad marked Disapproved. Hover over the status or open the policy details to confirm that the reason is unsupported language. Now review the ad carefully. Check your headlines, descriptions, assets, site links, callouts, images with text, and business name. Remove or translate any unsupported language, mixed language text, unusual symbols, or characters that Google may not understand. Next, check the landing page. Make sure the page language matches your ad language and is supported by Google Ads. Also, check pop-ups, banners, menus, footers, reviews, widgets, and embedded content, because Google may scan the full destination page. If your landing page is in a language Google Ads does not support for targeting, translate the page into a supported language, or create a separate supported language landing page. Then update the ad final URL if needed. After making changes, go back to the ad and click Edit. Save the corrected ad. Google says edited ads are automatically reviewed again, usually within 24 to 48 hours. If you believe the ad was disapproved by mistake, open the policy details and submit an appeal. Explain that the ad and landing page use a supported language and request another review. And that's it. You now know how to fix a Google Ads unsupported language disapproval. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.